Now, this Premio is phasing off and this Subaru Legacy is trending. Do you want to know why? Okay, if you want to know the reason, stick on this video. On this one, we are going to talk about two cars. We are giving you the reason why Premio is phasing off the market and the reason why Subaru Legacy currently is loved. Among the two, which one is the best choice for you? Are you a Premio guy or you are a Legacy person? Because you are going to get the expert experience among the cars currently trending in Uganda. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen the transition of cars on market, let's say in Uganda. Like we have seen the cars which were most loved by Ugandans now phasing off the market. And we are seeing new cars being introduced and people getting to love them more in Uganda. So, well, on this one, we are going to talk about two cars. We are giving you the reason why Premio is phasing off the market and actually the reason why Subaru Legacy currently is loved by all the genders in Uganda, let's say the youths, the elderly people, and in general, the car is being loved. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to yet another episode of our car reviews with your guy Charles. And on this one, as I said, we are giving you the comparison of the two cars, Premio and Subaru. Before I go any further, among the two, which one is the best choice for you? Are you a Premio guy or you are a Legacy person? Leave that one on the comment section as we continue with the review. The Premio was a Ugandan darling. Currently, the Subaru Legacy is one of the trends in Uganda. You have a free will to choose one because on this one, we are giving you the review of both cars. The Premio as the brand is phasing off Ugandan market. Now, this Premio in particular is 2019 model, currently available in Uganda. And this is the reason, some of the reasons why this car is really phasing off and people are opting to get newer or testing newer brands of cars. Now, what do you know about this Premio? And if you have ever owned a Premio, please, I want your opinion in the comment section. And currently, if you are owning a Subaru Legacy, also leave us your opinion. And among the best opinion, I would really prefer someone who have owned both of this, either Premio and a Subaru Legacy at the same time. Your opinion will be helpful. Well, now this is a Toyota Premio, one of the trends like in Uganda. We have really witnessed Premio from the first generation up to this model. By the way, people are still coming for such kind of vehicles in Uganda, though the demand has dropped according to the demands we used to have before, most especially for a Premio. One of the two things I can really share with you about the reason behind to the phasing of this kind of the vehicles which were most loved by Ugandans then, it is the major thing, it is the price. You know, the prices of these cars have really gone high. Like for example, this Premio 2019 model, the demand is now like the price range is now almost 85 million Ugandan shillings, and yet in 85 million Ugandan shillings you can get a better version of a motor vehicle and actually the latest version of any other brand of car. Let's say if you are into buying a Subaru brand, in that range you can get yourself a 2024 model Subaru Legacy, and in that you'll be remaining with a balance. And beside that all, that you know, the technology on these motor vehicles are not the same. The performance on road are not the same. That's why you find that people are now into exploring new trends on market and actually new cars which has better performance than the ones we used to have them before. Now the reason too, the taxation. You know, there's the way government is overtaxing some of these cars because of the demand. In the years where everyone would come to market looking for a premium, like there's a way how the taxes went high. I don't know who to blame. I don't know if we will put the blames on the clients, or we put the blame to the taxation department. But one of the reasons why some of these cars, like the prices are high, it is because of overtaxing. You find that this car is paying more than 25 million only for tax, like this model of a Premio. And it is one of the things which are pushing people from coming for such kind of vehicles, because their prices are too high on market. And yet you can get a low price car with better performance and also better look. Let me entirely explain to you about the design of these two cars. You find that the design of a Subaru Legacy, it has those that aerodynamic designs, let's say the lightings, and entirely the shape. It is one of the cars you would regard as executive cars which are really trending in Uganda, not only in Uganda but globally. Then beside all that, the performance of a Subaru is one of the cars which are made for performance. Before I take you to the Subaru Legacy, kindly leave me a comment. If you have learned something from this video, just click the like button. And as well, Barry Motors Uganda, you can get us in all the social media platforms. Let's say the Facebook, the X now, or formerly known as Twitter, the TikTok. We are there, and we have different type of vehicles. We have different type of videos, and we keep on sharing the ideas we have on market. We share both the ideas we have on car pricing, companies to trust with your car business. We share the ideas we have on motor vehicles, the performances, and most especially we do the most authentic car reviews. So if you want to learn anything about motor vehicle, Barry Motors Uganda is the only YouTube channel you can get all the ideas of cars, driving, mechanics, the performance of the vehicles. All you get at Barry Motors Uganda. So well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Premio for you, and let me take you to the Subaru Legacy. We're gonna show you all parts, bits of the Subaru Legacy, and we will leave the idea for you to choose which one is better, which one you will go for, and you also give us the reason why you think the other one is better over the other one. Now this is a Subaru Legacy model 2016. I want you to first have the impression on the shape, the lighting, before I explain about its specs, performance, and the advancement, tech, driving modes, the horsepower and everything on this car. First, have the impression on the shape. This is why this Subaru Legacy is one of the trends now, and it is among the few reasons why people are opting for it more than the way they were buying the Premios. As I told you, we have Premios and we have these cars, but I will tell you that these ones are on high demand compared to the likes of the Premio. The reason one is the entire look of the car. Actually, this car, it is more luxurious in terms of looks. It has, as I told you at the beginning, that it has all the aerodynamic shape, the lightings of the recent. I want you to have a look on the light design. There's some of the few things which are adding up on marketing and on what people really like more. Now this car is model 2016. but it has, you know, the day running light technology. It has the xenon lights, and it has a lot of you know, added extras which you can get on this car. Someone who likes the simplicity, this car is so simple with the advancements on the driving cluster. Like also if we talk about the safety features or safety modules on this car, this is a car which is equipped with different type of cameras. The most common one is the Subaru's high sight. This high sight helps in collision control. It controls, you know, the car braking system. That in a Subaru, there's a saying which says that a Subaru can't knock, but they only knock it, which means that if you drive this car with those cameras on, you cannot knock something, but the car can automatically brake itself, even though you are on a very high speed. On top of that, it has this recording camera on this driving view mirror, which really works well with that driving mirror, which that driving mirror has the automatic light dimming tech, which it observes the light and transforms it into the other view mirror. And as well, that camera can also do recordings. You can record all your trip on that camera. And again, on top of this, it has another additional camera side, which has it has 360 camera view. This is what you can get on a Subaru, like Subaru Legacy, model 2016. And it is one of the few reasons why really people are opting for this type of vehicles rather than going for like the so-called Premios, which we really used to like more. Now that in all that, you will still find this car that its pricing, it is totally lower than the one you will get on a Premio. Now, if you see the rear view of this motor vehicle, you will see that bold design, you know, what I would call the performance. The car which they made, this car has been made for off-roading performance. This is the car which can do all, you know, the off-roading and on-roading. It does well the town. It can do well the town service, and it can also take you up to up country because of its symmetrical all-wheel drive. We have done a review on different Subaru cars, and we have talked about how effective is the symmetrical all-wheel drive of a Subaru is. It is one of the system which Subaru came in with, and they perfected it. And it's among the reason of Subaru cars are really selling more in Uganda nowadays, and they are replacing one of the iconic cars we used to like then in Uganda, and most especially now, like this Legacy. It has totally replaced Toyota Premio. In terms of consumption, yes, people used to complain about Subaru's consumption. The consumption is like too much, but I will tell you that this car also has like some fuel saving modes, like the eco mode and so on. This is a car which has the idling stop. You know, we have talked a lot about the idling stop. Mostly what it does when you are driving on in a traffic jam. And we have talked about you know, the eco mode in different motor vehicles. So this car has both. It has the eco mode, at the same time it also has the idling stop, which helps in fuel you know, deduction. It totally deducts the amount of fuel the car consumes, mostly if you're in a traffic jam. It brings out that they say that actually with this new type of tech, you'll find the performance. At the same time, you also find the fuel efficiency. So you can still get the fuel efficiency in this Subaru Legacy model 2016. Well, this car also has one of the most you know, luxurious interiors. Well, now you see, this car has one of the most iconic luxurious seats you would get in such a small saloon car. It has this cream interior, full leather seat, heated seats, and you know, it has the wider radio view, this driving mirror with the auto dimming tech. I don't know whether if you have ever driven a car at night and all of a sudden someone comes behind you with a full light, and you see how effective that full lighting thing can cost your life on the road. Well, in this car you have this driving rear view mirror with the auto dimming tech. This mirror automatically dims the light which comes from the rear side, which can affect your view during night drive. And well, this car has one of the most advanced steering with lane control here. It has all the controls. You can do the phone calls. It has the hand-free microphone on it, and it has many things. We have done a lot of talk about this motor vehicle, but this is a Subaru for you. What I also tell you that this car has the same boot capacity, like the boots are the same, and their sizes are almost the same, but the other one has a Valvematic engine of 2 liter, as well as this one also has the same a boxer engine of Subaru. We have talked a lot about the boxer engines of Subaru, how they perform, and how they have been reliable on market, of also 2.0 liter. Now, in the range of 55 million, you get yourself this Subaru Legacy 2016 model. And another interesting thing, the reason why these cars are like not too expensive compared to the ones of the Toyota Premio and other Toyota brands, is that their taxes are at least lower compared. So in that amount, in that range, you get yourself this full option Subaru Legacy in Uganda, fully registered, on road. You can get it here at Barry Motors Uganda. Well, that was my comparison. I would also love to hear about your side. Let's leave that on comment section, and on this one, at least I want you guys to make the comment section busy, because we are there. The team is ready to reply your comments online. At Barry Motors Uganda, we have the 24/7 team which works all the night. Anytime you send him your comment, there is a team to reply your comment here at Barry Motors Uganda. So well, ladies and gentlemen, from the guys and the entire team, goodbye and be blessed. Goodbye.